Hello friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many attempts. Try again later. On the application of Telegram, you will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will go to this sign and you can search about Telegram app. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will click on storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Then you will click on Play Store and you can search about the application of Telegram to update your app. If you find update here, so please don't forget to